Vitamin B12 deficiency, the hidden killer you need to know about.
Lights on, but nobody's home. The telltale signs of vitamin B12 deficiency.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel like you're running on empty, even after a full night's sleep? Or maybe you've been experiencing some strange tingling in your hands and feet, or a bit of brain fog that just won't clear. If this sounds familiar, you might be dealing with a very common, yet often overlooked, issue: vitamin B12 deficiency.
What is vitamin B12, and why do you need it?
First things first, what exactly is vitamin B12? Think of it as the powerhouse of your body's electrical grid. It's a crucial nutrient that helps keep your nerve cells and blood cells healthy. It also plays a vital role in making DNA, the genetic material in all of your cells. When you don't have enough B12, this whole system can start to short-circuit. Your body can't produce enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen effectively, leading to a type of anemia. And your nerves can become damaged, causing a whole host of strange and often confusing symptoms.
Are you at risk? The surprising causes of deficiency.
So, how does someone become deficient in this super important vitamin? It's not always as simple as just not eating the right foods. For some, it is about diet. Vitamin B12 is naturally found in animal products, so if you're a long-term vegetarian or vegan, you're at a higher risk. But for many others, the problem isn't intake, but absorption. You could be eating all the B12-rich foods in the world, but your body just can't absorb it properly. This can be due to malabsorption issues, pernicious anemia, an autoimmune condition where your body attacks the cells in your stomach that help absorb B12, digestive conditions. Things like Crohn's disease, celiac disease, and gastritis can all interfere with absorption. Stomach surgeries. Procedures like gastric bypass can reduce your ability to absorb B12. Age. As we get older, our stomach acid levels can decrease, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. Certain medications. Some common medications for heartburn and diabetes can affect B12 absorption.
The telltale signs. Are you experiencing these symptoms?
The symptoms of B12 deficiency can be wide-ranging and often creep up slowly, which is why they are so often missed. Let's break them down into a few categories. First, the physical symptoms. Fatigue and weakness. This is a big one. It's not just feeling tired, it's a deep, persistent exhaustion. Pale or yellowish skin. This can be a sign of anemia. Shortness of breath and dizziness. Again, related to your body's reduced ability to carry oxygen. Sore, red tongue or mouth ulcers. Your mouth can give you some early clues. Heart palpitations. Feeling like your heart is racing or fluttering. Then, there are the neurological symptoms, which can be particularly alarming. Numbness or tingling. Often described as pins and needles in your hands, legs, or feet. Balance problems. Feeling unsteady on your feet. Vision disturbances. Blurred or double vision. Memory loss and confusion. This brain fog can be one of the most frustrating symptoms. And finally, the psychological symptoms. Depression and anxiety. Low B12 levels have been linked to changes in mood, irritability and changes in behavior. Feeling more on edge than usual. It's important to remember that you might not experience all of these symptoms and they can vary in severity.
Getting answers, diagnosis, and treatment.
If any of this is ringing a bell, the first step is to talk to your doctor. A simple blood test can check your vitamin B12 levels. The good news is that once diagnosed, B12 deficiency is highly treatable. The right approach will depend on the cause of your deficiency. For dietary deficiencies, your doctor might recommend eating more B12-rich foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. For vegans and vegetarians, fortified foods and oral supplements are great options. For absorption issues. If your body can't absorb B12 from food, you'll likely need supplements. This might be in the form of high-dose oral tablets or, in more severe cases, injections. These injections can quickly get your levels back to normal. Don't ignore the whispers. The key takeaway here is to listen to your body. Those seemingly small, nagging symptoms could be your body's way of telling you something important is out of balance. Don't just dismiss that persistent fatigue or brain fog as a normal part of life. Getting your B12 levels checked is a simple step that could make a world of difference to your health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. And as always, leave any questions you have in the comments below. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.